Hi viewers, how are you all? I hope all of you are okay and hope you are trying out all my recipes, and of course you must try it out and see how it comes, whether it's tasty. That's the main thing that we have to know. It has to be tasty for you and you have to be satisfied. Hope you are happy and satisfied. I'm going to show you now tortillas, something different, and of course it's good and it's really good for health, and of course all of you will like it. So we will see how we are going to do this tortillas. For that I need lots of vegetables also, so we will see how we are going to do it now. First thing, I will on the cooker. We can use a little bit of oil. We need a little oil. Any oil that you like you can use. Either vegetable oil or whatever oil you all use, you can take it and use it. So we will see how it comes. Finely chopped onions I am using. We need garlic also. This is my version of it. So whatever you do, it is all depends on how you are doing it, whether you like it or not, you have to see. See, onions, garlic, I put both together, slightly temper it. I am going to add the beans, green beans, capsicum, red and green pepper I am using. Once all this is added, we have some more things to be added. Salt, a bit of turmeric, not a lot, just a bit of turmeric. I said we are just tempering slightly. Okay, we have some more things to be added. Now we will see what we are going to add. Bacon, that is only finely chopped bacon I am using. Along with that, that's not enough, just one strip of bacon and about 2 or 3 sausages. We added salt, pepper, bit of turmeric. Now I will off this. It's only slight tempering that I have done. I have off the cooker. You can see we don't need to be cooking for a long time. So now what I am going to do is, this is my bowl which I can use about 3 eggs. If it's a little larger than that, you can have 4 eggs. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, I have taken 3 eggs, yolk and the white together. We'll add a little salt and pepper. So we'll put a little chili pieces. Right. Now what I am going to do is, I'll take this, leave it here, put the egg, yolk and the white together. We have added that also. Mix it nicely. I should not cook that now itself, so I took it out of the cooker. It should not be warm. A little milk, a tablespoon of fresh milk I am using. Just a tablespoon of fresh milk. Now we will leave all that together. My bowl, I am going to butter it well. Nicely butter it. Okay, that's enough. Pour this into the bowl. Nicely buttered bowl. The balance work is what? Cheese. Without cheese it's not completed, so we need the cheese also. On top of it I will add the cheese. Oh, tortillas. It's my version. So there are lots of people will think, oh, this is not the way, this is not that way, this way. But it's my version, I said. It's my version of what I am doing it, and hope you will enjoy that. Now what am I going to do? I will leave it in the oven. I am going to bake it 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake for about 40 minutes. Sometimes, even if I say 40 minutes, it can be 30, 40 or 45 minutes. It all depends. I mean, this mixture should get baked well. It should not be runny. That's the main thing. So, we will bake and see how it comes. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. You bake this for 40 to 45 minutes at least. Once it's baked, we will see what we are going to do for it. Once it is baked and it comes out, really it looks nice, and this tortillas looks okay. We can have it. Now what I am going to do is, we are not going to have it like this. We are going to have 2 slices of bread I have taken, just a little bit of butter, not a lot, just a wee bit. I'll put it on the pan. It's not the grill pan, I am just using this pan. You can use any pan you want. I'm going to roast this. You can see how I am roasting it. If you want, slightly buttered, and we are roasting. The reason I am roasting this is so that it will be really, a little on the stiff side. Like, if it is stiff only, it's good. If it is too soft and coming out, we can't place the tortillas. So that's the reason I just baking this a bit. On this, I'm sure you know what I always talk about. Slightly cut in wedges. You can have this for your meal, whatever you are going to do it, you can always have it. This is how you have this. And if you like, problems come when cooking is done. So, we have to manage. Can I have a little parsley? Without parsley, I can't complete it. So, we will have a small piece of parsley, colorful like. Okay, right. So, this is my version of the tortillas, which you serve it as it is like. Come, can have it. Now, these tortillas are, the balance is there, right? What I have to do is, we cut and serve it like that. Or you can have it like this, or you can have it with whatever you want, like with couscous or with rice, bun, dinner buns, you can have it. So you can try it out like that. So this tortillas are the best, I would say, for the family to taste. Now, now what I have done is, I have done for a person to eat. It's not enough. If it's not enough, what will you do? You try it out a little more, cut and serve it in wedges. So that's the main thing. And here I have already cut now, so I don't want to leave it as it is. So I thought I will have that also for you. to see how it looks. This is my tortillas which I have done for you. Try it out and see how it comes. Try and enjoy the food that we serve for you. It's for you that I have done. It's my version, and you know, for our palate, for our taste, you do it. I put only pepper, salt and a little turmeric and a chili pieces like. Right? So if you want, you can add more ingredients, that is left to you, or less ingredients, that is left to you. But cheese is very important. Try it out and see, and you enjoy the food which I am showing you. And I would like you to comment also and say how you feel about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon with another episode. Bye from me now.